Everyone, welcome to Study Guide Forum. This time we're going to learn how to calculate the number of moles in grams. So we have some questions here. Say calculate the number of moles in 10 grams of sodium hydroxide. In 10 grams of sodium hydroxide, molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Molar mass of sodium hydroxide is given already as 40 grams per mole. And the second question says, how many moles are there in 15 grams of calcium triazo carbonate 4? So now to solve this, we know that from here we are made to understand that 1 mole of sodium hydroxide, 1 mole of sodium hydroxide contain what? 40 grams. That is what it means, 40 grams per mole. So now we are looking for what 10 grams will contain. That is to say, if 40 grams of sodium hydroxide is equal to what? Equal to 1 mole, then 10 grams will then be 1/40 times 10/1. What will cancel out? This cancel out. We have a 0.25 moles. 0.25 moles. That's what you have. So the next one we have there is that how many moles are there in 15 grams of calcium triazo carbonate 4? And we know that 100 grams of calcium triazo carbonate 4 contain 1 mole. So 15 grams of the same compound will then be 1/100 times 15/1. That will give us 0.15 moles. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and then like. Remember to share. Thank you so much.